Okay, so I'm going to give a brief introduction on the CheckPoint operating system. Basically, it's Linux based, and so it can run on CheckPoint own hardware, like those are called appliances, or it can run on like a server. And so this operating system runs the full portfolio of CheckPoint software plates, which are like different features available, like IPsec, VPN, or like application control and URL filtering and all, and IPS and all that. This operating system also runs the security management uh, products of Checkpoint, which basically control all the management, like the gateway and all, and the policies and all that. This operating system supports IPv4 and v6, as it supports virtual systems. It supports HA and load sharing and dynamic routing, and it can be configured to CLI and WebUI. So I'm going to show you how the WebUI and CLI now. Let's just see what it is. Okay, yeah. So this is the WebUI. So of the GAIA. So GAIA portal here. So this one is configured as a gateway, but again, like I said, the same portal, same interface will be for like the management also. Okay, so let me just log in. So okay. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and so overview shows things like what's the kernel version and the edition and the build number and system uptime, all that, right? And any software updates. Here it shows the version. So in this case, it's Checkpoint Security Gateway, and the software is R81.20. Uh, on the right side, it shows packets accepted, dropped, and all that IPsec. So in this this gateway, I've just configured this as a firewall and IPsec VPN, but these plates can also be all these plates can also be enabled. And okay, so here it shows the number of interfaces, which ones are up and all that, right? And then here it shows the memory and then the CPU here, the throughput, packet rate, and this can be customized from here. So okay, and then network interfaces, yes. So when you install this as a gateway, or especially as a gateway, I mean as a firewall gateway, so then these can be configured from right here from this web UI. So in this case, I have all these like management, internal. This is the sync interface if it's set up as a HA, external DMZ and all that, right? So initial configuration. So also here it's the DNS can be entered here, and then system management. So as network management, all these can be configured. Static routing here, and the system management is you can set a new password and a time. Yeah, this is important. So time you can set it up as manually, or as you can use as NTP here, and that's time zone here, and yeah, messages, right? So this is when you first get to the login page. Here's where you can customize here under system management messages. So like yeah, so. Yeah, so there's a lot of other obviously options here. So I'll and maybe go through them in future videos. And here's advanced routing for like BGP and IGMP and all that, OSPF and all that, right? And then let me see. Yeah, so here is where you can set up new users and roles. So for example, right now, admin is the default user, but you can then add more users here, and then you can define roles. All the roles are here. So yeah, see, there's a long list of roles which can be assigned depending on the user access, right? And then this is VRRP. So this is no longer not a lot of people, not a lot of customers use this anymore. They use for high availability they use the CheckPoint cluster Excel. And then is licensing, backup, and all that. Is the upgrade utility where you can use this to um, up, up, update some packages and all that. So they show up here, and then right from here they can be updated. So check for updates and then install and all that. And yeah, here you can set up the policy, like when to check and what to do after automatically installing and all that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the web UI.